but in the last YouTube video when I said about uh, Bitcoin might do a pullback, when I mentioned that when I saw this candle, right? We have this loss of momentum over here, and then we had the strong rejection candle. So I was expecting that the market could do a pullback back in November, I guess. Yeah, November. But the only difference between that time and now is that I was expecting back then, I was expecting only the market to do a pullback till here, right? It was struggling over there, so I was expecting the market to fire up from here. However, in reality, the market just fell down like this. Now, there are a number of factors behind this. The major factor is about the profit bookings, right? So, whenever the market does a retest of the previous structure and it is at the all-time high, there are chances that the market could do a good amount of pullback. And in this case also, it's just that. And plus there were a number of other reasons. For example, in India, we had this government saying about the passing of the bill, and most of them consider that it is banning of cryptocurrency, which is not. It is just a regulation of the cryptocurrency, but that was one thing. And China's there is a lot of things going on in China about the cryptocurrency that I guess they banned it altogether. So that is another factor. And now the new factor is about the Russians. So Russian central bank wants to ban cryptocurrency. I'm not sure how far this is true. Um, I usually don't believe on any of the news which is coming. If you see the Indian online news, you will see only about banning of cryptocurrency, which is not. It is all about regulating the cryptocurrency. So, anyways, nothing. No bill is going to come for this parliament. I think they need more time. It is a complicated subject. We have blockchain, and there are so many other things going on in the future, like about the metaverse, NFTs. You have so many opportunities coming in. So they need to think a lot on how to regulate these things. Many often say that it is all about banning of private wallets, which includes Binance, which I feel it is stupid because uh, the whole idea about cryptocurrency is all about decentralization, right? Now, if that is not happening, then we won't be able to move forward in the future. So they need to think about that. So probably that's why there is no bill coming in this parliament session. And yeah, the worst thing what we can expect is the market could come down and test this level. And this week already it has tested, so there are chances that it can retest the string structure again. That is around the 42 side, right? Somewhere over here, the 42 level. So you can go up to this 42 to 39,500, that level. You can expect the market to do a pullback or a retest till there, right? And another thing which I am expecting is we do have this consolidation over here after a strong impulse move. We have this falling wedge or falling flag or falling channel, whatever you want to call it. All things, all those things are same. It's just about telling you the loss of momentum, right? So there are chances that if we can break out of any of these highs, right, there are chances that the market could go back up. And this is what I'm expecting the market to do. It's not necessary that the market has to do, but yeah, that's how the technicals works. So if we can see any of these highs breaking means it has to break and close above it. Once we have that, then we can see a good amount of impulse move over there. Not necessarily that it will go all the way up like that. I can see multiple patterns over here, but about that, once we have a break and close above any of these highs, at that time we'll talk about it. Now, which high we need to wait for it? Let me remove all these things. You can expect the market to break and close one of these levels or this levels. If you can break and close above that one, then you can expect the market to go even more higher level, and it might continue its trend. And by the way, we are still on the uptrend. There's nothing like we started our downtrend. We can see our lows are getting higher and higher. You see that, right? These are the previous lows and this again. So there are chances that it can go even more higher from there, but before that it might do a lot of ebbs and flows in between. So that is one thing. And also about this falling wedge, yeah, as expected, we do have a loss of momentum in the RSI as well. This is a divergence, right? So this is a relief that I'm definitely expecting the market to go up from here. And another interesting thing which I saw is in the RSI segment itself. If you go to the daily time frame, you can see that the highs are getting lower and lower in the RSI, right? And after that, you see a shoot up. The market did the same thing, right? And then again, the highs are getting lower and lower, and then a shoot up. Look at this. The market went even more higher. Third time, market is doing lower and lower highs, right? So what do you expect from here? This is a different way of seeing the market. I always tell all my traders that you need to think like a detective. We try to find some clues to get into a direction. So this is another clue which I saw. So if we have a shoot up from here now, all these indicators are lagging. So uh, you don't have to keep looking at the indicator to see whether it is breaking. No, before the indicator shows, the market would have done this move, right? So mostly if you see that if this is happening, you can expect that the market can make a good amount of move up, right? So I won't be concerned much about the Bitcoin or Ethereum for that matter. If Bitcoin is going up, Ethereum will definitely go up, and if it is falling, then yeah, Ethereum can fall. But I feel that it is almost done its move. Max to max, we can see that the market going down till here. If you're a miner or if you're holding on to the Bitcoin, then hold on to it. It's not a good place to sell at all. There is a good opportunity that is coming in the future, and wherever you have heard that, even I have mentioned, I didn't say that it will happen, but in the news it was there that Bitcoin could reach $100,000 by the end of December, which is highly unlikely considering all these factors. Right now we are almost near to the end of 2021, so I doubted whether it will reach 100,000 unless some kind of miracle happens. It's a long way up, right? So that may not happen, but yes, in the future it will happen. And I'm holding on to this Bitcoin and the Ethereum, which whatever I have, I'm holding on to it because I'm expecting the market to go even more higher. So yeah, that's about it.